Hello, this is Tara with Index Data, and this is how to search for an order in FOLIO. To search for orders, we'll first need to navigate to the Orders app. The Orders app includes both orders, which are purchase orders featuring a list of titles or packages being ordered by the library from a vendor, and order lines, which are the actual titles or packages that are being ordered. You can choose to search either orders or order lines by toggling the button group at the top of the Search and Filter pane. The Orders app searches more than just current orders, so it's important to pay attention to the status of the order you are viewing. Orders in FOLIO can be pending, open, or closed. Pending orders have not yet been placed. Open orders are active, which generally means that they have been submitted to a vendor. Closed orders are complete, which may mean that they are fully paid and fully received, or may mean that they have been canceled. When a staff member opens an order, inventory and encumbrances are created, and certain fields can no longer be edited. Orders can be unopened to return them to a pending state. We'll start by looking at how to search for an order line. To search for an order line, toggle the button group at the top of the Search and Filter pane to Order Lines. Enter your search terms into the box and hit Search. By default, you will be searching by keyword, but you can also search specifically by contributor, PO line number, requester, title or package name, publisher, vendor account, vendor reference number, donor, selector, volumes, product ID, or product ID ISBN. Keyword searches all of these fields together. You can apply filters after searching to further limit your results, but you can also use the filters independent of searching. Using filters, we can bring up order lines by receipt status, payment status, prefix, suffix, acquisitions unit, acquisition method, location, fund code, expense class, order format, material type electronic, material type physical, date created, vendor, tags, source, collection, rush, access provider, activated, expected activation, trial, subscription from, subscription to, actual receipt date, expected receipt date, receipt due, and export date. You can read definitions for each of these available filters in the documentation, but it can also help to get familiar with actual order line records at your institution, as local practices may vary. Let's try an example. Let's search for all order lines awaiting receipt for a particular fund. First, we'll select Awaiting under Receipt Status. This brings up all orders awaiting receipt in a second pane. Next, we'll go to the Fund Code filter. Here, we'll select the fund we want to look at to narrow our results down further. To view an actual order line record from our results, click on a row in the results to bring up the record itself in a third pane. If you want to see the order that this order line belongs to, go to the Actions menu in the Order Line Record pane and click View PO. Now let's look at how to search for an order. To search for orders, toggle the button group at the top of the Search and Filter pane to Orders. Enter your search terms into the box and hit Search. Just as with order lines, by default you will be searching by keyword, but you can also search specifically by date created, date opened, or PO number. Keyword searches all of these fields together. Remember that you are searching orders, not order lines, so searching for a title on an order won't work here. As in order lines, you can use filters with or without first searching. The filters available for orders are status, prefix, suffix, approved, acquisitions unit, assigned to, created by, date created, date opened, order type, vendor, tags, reason for closure, re-encumber, subscription, renewal date, manual renewal, review period, bill to, and ship to. Let's try an example. Let's search for all orders created in June 2023 for a particular vendor, Amazon. First, under Date Created, we'll select June 1st as the from date and June 30th as the to date. This brings up all orders created in June in the second pane. Next, under Vendor, we'll click Organization Lookup. This brings up a modal where we can search for our vendor. We'll type Amazon, hit Search, and then click on the correct vendor to populate our filter back in Orders and close the modal. To view an actual order record from our results, click on a row in the results to bring up the order record itself in a third pane. To view a particular order line on this order, go to the PO Lines accordion and click on the Lines row in the table to jump to the order line. One last thing. In Orders, you can export a CSV of your results using the Actions button in the Results pane of either Orders or Order Lines. When you click Export Results, a modal will pop up asking you to select which fields to export. Click Export to download the file. And that is how to search for orders in Folio.